You must leave this place today. Who are you? You must leave it. You must leave it. Come on. I will smash you. Leave this house now.
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, the meaning is that she must leave this house today.
She's not going anywhere. Do you realize the implication of what you are about to do?
See, you must leave this place today.
What is the meaning of this? Give me that back.
Please.
Stop crying. She is going nowhere. She is going nowhere. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. This is my house. Leave the road now. Timothy. She is going nowhere. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go.
Papa, I'll
She is going nowhere. Come inside.
I told him when you sing that up here. No, Poppy, what you get? It's about what you do. Get a what's all? Give me what do you mean, what is what? So you cannot see me in the morning and greet me. Can I move? Yeah, my cock, I will not leave your presence. And I even know what you so you don't have respect. Or by force. Is it by force to greet you? You must greet me. What nonsense?
What is the problem here?
Papa, look at my cup of water. Must just throw it away. Papa, the problem is that this woman does not have respect. I was married into this compound first before she was married. Yet she will not accord me with any respect. What will you do to man?
Is that why you should be fighting?
Papa, is it not enough? Is it not enough for me to beat her upset? Thank you, stars that Papa came and intervention on
Oh, yeah. Wait. It's okay. It's okay.
If Papa was not here, I would have beaten her.